Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Stock Market Talk. On Thursday, US market closed higher with hefty gains, and it was on the back of strong earnings report from Amazon. However, Asia is trading lower despite a record performance on the Wall Street. The Singapore Nifty is following to the domestic news flow, which are highly uncertain. Investors and traders are in the mood of taking cautious steps in today's market, mainly because of the index giant Reliance is going to announce its quarterly numbers after market hours and election results on the weekend. Also, rising coronavirus cases will keep the sentiment volatile on the back of specific news flow from the ministry side. Now, if we move on the markets, then the 4.5% surge in metal index helped benchmark indices to close higher. We saw the levels of 15,000, 15,050 on Nifty on Thursday, and by crossing the level of 15,000, the market has shifted the bottom from 13,600 to 14,100. Now, it is positive for the market, and the strategy should be to look for adding long positions on dips. Whenever the market crosses its previous high or immediate level, or if it enters into any uptrend sort of mode, we see some correction later on, and that is what I think we are going to see today. So if there is any lower opening, because Singapore Nifty is trading 180, 190 points lower, so if we see the market is opening somewhere close to 14,700, 750, then certainly there we should look for adding some long positions. On the downside, 14,600 should be the final stop loss for creating any trading long positions. But for investors or short-term investors, medium-term investors, our advice is to look for adding strong companies if there is any lower opening. On the higher side, again 14,950, 15,150 is not ruled out. And for the Bank Nifty, 33,300, 33,200 should be the area where we should look for adding some long positions. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank should be on the watch list to buy if there is any correction during the day. Now, if we move to the other sectors, then cement and metals should do well because we are expecting further more activity in cyclicals. Specifically, Ambuja Cement and Ultratech Cement should do well. That's the overall view on the cement sector. I mean to say these are the stocks should do well. And from the financial space, as we discussed, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank should be on the watch list. Yes, from the defensive basket, we prefer pharma stocks. Cipla as well as Sun Pharma are very close to their important support areas, and we are expecting upward activity in the near term from Sun Pharma as well as Cipla. Technically, Divi's Laboratory is also very close to its breakout level, and there also we can expect further more gains. So if there is a short term view, then certainly we should focus on Divi's Laboratories also. Friends, that's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.